How to connect Bluetooth headphones or earbuds on your MacBook Neo. Step number one is to put your headphones or earbuds into Bluetooth pairing mode. Depending which model you have, it will be slightly different. On this model, I simply have to keep press the power button during around 5 seconds so they enter in Bluetooth pairing mode. If you have, for example, AirPods, you'll have to press the pairing button, or depending which model you have, it will be slightly different. Now that these are in pairing mode, you're going to go on your Mac. You're going to click on the top right corner, select Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then you're going to select Bluetooth settings. Under Nearby Devices, your headphones will be waiting for you, so click Connect. And you're going to get the confirmation message that they have been connected. So right now, the sound is coming out of these headphones, not the speakers of the Mac. And if we click over here again, you can see that under Sound, it has a headphone logo. So you know that it's going over there, and you can change the volume over here. If you want to switch back to the speakers of the MacBook Neo, click the small arrow. And now you'll be able to select MacBook Neo speakers instead. And this is how you switch from where the sound is coming from. If you want to completely remove them from your MacBook, let's say you will never use them again, you can go back in this menu and don't click Disconnect. Click the I button and click Forget this device, forget, and they have been completely removed from your computer. Thanks for watching. Comment, check my Amazon links down below if you want to get some headphones or many other accessories compatible with the Neo. And yeah, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.